In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira Software and GitHub. To get started, open your Jira dashboard. From the left side navigation bar, click on Apps and then select Explore More Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace area, where you can search for integrations that extend Jira's functionality. Once you are there, use the search bar to look for GitHub for Atlassian. When the app appears in the results, select it to open the app page. Then click Get It Now, and when prompted, click Get It Now again to confirm the installation. At this point, Jira will begin the installation process for the app. Depending on your instance and permissions, this may take a few moments, so just wait until it finishes completely before moving on. After the installation is complete, click Manage Apps. From there, go to the Installed Apps section, find GitHub for Atlassian, and click the three dots next to it. This launches the setup flow that connects your Jira environment to your GitHub account. Now click Continue. You will be asked to choose your GitHub type, so select GitHub Cloud or GitHub Enterprise Server, if that's what your organization uses, and then click Next. On the following screen, sign into GitHub using your own account credentials and click Authorize Atlassian. This authorization step allows Jira and GitHub to communicate securely so development activity can be linked back to your Jira work. Next, locate the specific GitHub organization you want to connect to Jira. Once you find the correct organization, click Connect. If you are not the owner of that organization, you may not be able to complete this step yourself. In that case, click Send them a link to request approval from the organization owner. This is a normal part of the process in teams with restricted admin access. After that, you will be redirected to GitHub. Here, choose whether you want to grant Jira access to all repositories or only selected repositories. If you want tighter control, selecting only specific repositories can be a good option. Once you've made your choice, click Install to finalize the connection. When everything is successfully synced, you will see a green check mark in Jira, confirming that the integration is active. At that point, your Jira and GitHub connection is ready to use, making it much easier to track development work alongside your project issues. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.